I play as Karen, so he's a Thai guy who flew all the way to Hong Kong to search for his mom who is missing. And then he met Iris, who is receptionist at the hotel.
So a while ago, we saw the trailer of your movie. Did they have such strong chemistry, right? How was your experience working together in the film?
It was really great being able to work with Win. It was such an honor, especially knowing that he's this loved in the Philippines.
Yeah, it was very good, and we got along very well working together.
I actually asked Richard and Direk Sigrid a while ago why Filipino fans should watch the movie. To you guys, why should Filipinos watch the movie
I think Filipino fans should watch this film kasi tayong mga Pinoy, mahilig tayo magmahal. Kaya kung gusto niyong maramdaman ng lahat, panoorin niyo yung film natin.
Why should Filipino fans watch your movie?
Because me and Janela, good actors.
Everyone is looking forward. Yes, that's right. So what are the lessons that Filipinos can learn from the movie? What do you think, Janela?
Siguro na, siguro na we all live under the same sky. Kahit na magkalayo tayo ng bansa, magkaiba tayo ng bansa, we can all just love each other freely.
For me, I think you will learn the true meaning of happiness, which will in the movie, but I don't want to spoil. But yeah, you will learn like how happiness is for your life.
I think that got everyone excited, right? To watch the movie. Okay, so I know that you guys work together really well. Did you learn any language or words from each other? Like you, Janela, did you learn any Thai words? And Win, did you learn any Filipino words? Janela.
Ako, wholesome yung natutunan ko. Aloy mak.
Which means,
Delicious. Si Win, he has a favorite word, but I don't say it.
Kilig, right?
Yeah.
Mahal, kayo.
and you know what, Win and Janela, the Filipinos love you back as well. And now we call on Direk Sigrid and Richard to join us back here on stage. But the whole team of Under Parallel Skies, please join us here on stage. We will play a little game. Okay? Yes. We'll be playing a little game, alright? Are you okay to play a little game? So I will be flashing some words on screen, and these words are related to the movie Under Parallel Skies. So maybe you can share some story or your insights about these words. Okay, are you ready? Alright? Okay, let us start with win. The word is happiness.
Happiness. I think this one is easy for me because my happiness is here.
And I think everyone is happy also, dahil nakikinig. And you, Janela, your word is family.
Pakahirap naman. Word related to
Yes, the film, yes. The word family, how is it related to the movie Under Parallel Skies? And I know you're very family-oriented as well, diba?
Yeah, si Iris, ginagawa niya talaga lahat para sa pamilya niya. And lahat tayo, meron tayong problema pagdating sa family. So, panoorin niyo yung film para malaman niyo.
You, Janela? Okay, Direk Sigrid. Ito may kinalaman to sa sinabi mo kanina. Your word is
film kasi, there's also an aspect where, man, I'm trying to control myself to not spoil the movie. It might become a win. I think the dream is in the film is about chasing a dream, and I think all of us here also have dreams that we want to chase. Everyone on stage here also have dreams to chase. So that's why this really relates to me, because my dream is to be able to have this film be shown in more countries, be a huge success, so that we can produce even more greater Filipino films for the rest of the world, for the rest of our lives. Put Philippine, put Asian cinema on the map. So that's a big dream that we all have here.
And we will all make that happen, right? SM Mega Mall! Alright, now we invite Win and Janela to sign our official poster of Under Parallel Skies. Again, Under Parallel Skies is in Philippine cinemas on April 17th, over 150 cinemas nationwide. Win and Janela, please do the honors of signing our official poster of the much anticipated cross-cultural, cross-country film, Under Parallel Skies. Yes, let's give Win and Janela a big, big round of applause. And now I request for Win and Janela to please stand in front of your poster for a quick photo op. And now everyone feel free to take photos. Do share it on your socials and invite everyone to catch Under Parallel Skies. Alright, Win and Janela, please stay as we invite the team behind Under Parallel Skies here on stage. Once again, Richard, Derek Sigrid, and co-executive producer Christoph Pagate. Sigrid? The team behind Under Parallel Skies, produced by 28 Square Studios in co-production with 2 Infinity Entertainment and distributed by Warner Brothers Pictures. Yes, let's give them a big, big round of applause. And now let's invite on stage Derek Rico and the Warner Brothers Pictures team to have a photo op, of course, with our Under Parallel Skies team. Yes, a big, big round of applause for the people behind Under Parallel Skies. Thank you so much, Christoph and Durek. And of course, Rico. And now, before we conclude the program, we would like to give the floor to our team. Please do invite our fans, our viewers, to catch Under Parallel Skies. Richard, go ahead.
I think we've said everything we wanted to say, and I guess we want to say it again. Guys, this is one of the toughest projects that I think I personally have done, and a lot of us have done. We put in a lot of our hearts, blood, sweat, and tears, to make this happen, and we're very, very grateful to all your support out here. You guys really turned up today. I'm super grateful for that, and I'm sure we're all here super grateful for that. And of course, I want to thank also Han Tourism Board and Cathay Pacific for supporting us so early in the project. This project is 2 years in the making, guys. We believe in 2 years in the making. And once again, I'm going to invite all of you guys to watch Under Parallel Skies, showing tomorrow, April 17th in cinemas, over 150 cinemas nationwide. Thank you so much, Warner Brothers, and of course all our exhibitors for believing in this project. And yes, I will leave more stuff to the rest to say.
Sabihin ko, Win, they want hug from you.
natin. Proud na proud kami sa film na to. So, sana supportahan nyo ang local cinema at sana makita namin kayo bukas sa mga sinehan. Maraming salamat. We love you guys.
And of course, Win Matawin.
Salamat. Please support our movie. We really worked hard for this project, and we hope you do enjoy our film. Yeah, please watch. Thank you.